Hi guys, I am Shazad and welcome in this video. Today we're gonna discuss about how can you create the close button. Make sure when you are visiting a particular e-commerce button, they always shows you the sign up or the newsletter sections in a pop-up. So definitely they have a close button. So how can you create the close button by using the Bootstrap 5? So let's get started. And now I'm going to copy this one and paste this one here, and I'm going to comment this so you can easily get the code. Okay, now as you can see, this is the row and this is the paginations. I'm going to remove the paginations code, and now here I'm saying I'm going to create a button because we are creating or designing the clothing button. Its type is button first of all, and the class is button close. I'm saying Arial label close. That's it. Go to your page, refresh the page. So now as you can see, you have just created the close button. Okay, fine. Now what happens if you want to add the disable property? You can add the disable. Go to the page, refresh the page. So now as you can see, your button is now disabled. You can use the disable property. So this is the disable property, not a class. Whenever I say disable, whenever I say property, that means I am talking about the property for a particular element, not a class. You can also use some extra classes, like this is a class for button close. I'm talking about another class, button close white. So go to the page, refresh the page, and remove this one. As you can see, it's now showing you the white. Let's suppose if I'm saying background black, so it's a background black. So now as you can see, it's showing you the color white. So in this way you can create the button, the close button for your website, where you use the close button. Let's suppose if you have the machine there. We mostly use this button in Moodle. Let's suppose if I'm saying, okay, if I'm saying here as you can see, this is the button for the close. So that's why we have used in the Moodle. We always use this button in Moodle. So if you are not familiar with the Moodle, just go to the documentation, docs, components. So this is Moodle. So now if you click on, as you can see, this is the close button. Right click, inspect element, or here is the code. As you can see, this is the close button. Here is the close button. We mostly use this button in Moodle. Okay guys, in this way you can create or define the close button. We mostly use this close button while working on pop-ups. We're gonna discuss about the pop-ups in our later lectures. So I hope guys you are enjoying our video. So thank you for watching.